Man finds thousands of dollars hidden inside car door while repairing window. Every single one of us dreams of someday hitting the lottery. We always hear stories of someone accidentally digging up a small fortune in their backyard. We hear of people finding secret doors in their homes leading to some incredible treasures. These are stories that immediately spark jealousy and envy in each of us. I remember when I first started driving, one of my friends purchased his car from a police auction. We immediately brought the car back hoping it was a drug runner's car and we'd find mountains of cash hidden in the spare tire compartment. All we ever found was a bunch of old corn nuts and garbage. We soon found out that not all auction cars were formerly owned by rich drug traffickers. Well, I recently came across a story that reignited those feelings of jealousy and envy. After owning a vehicle for a little while, this man's power window stopped working. He decided to investigate and what he found blew my mind. After his power window stopped working for no apparent reason, he broke out the tools and decided to take a look. He was able to take the door panel off fairly easily and noticed nothing out of the ordinary. After peeling back the plastic lining from behind the door panel, he noticed a black bag stuffed into the door frame. This is apparently what caused the problem in the first place. Here's a close-up. It is definitely not something that came from the factory. His adrenaline immediately started pumping. The package was stuffed into the door pretty well. He had to pull and wiggle it quite roughly to remove it. You could see how small the space was. It was a surprise this didn't interfere with the window a lot sooner. And then it was time to take a look at this find a little closer. The excitement was killing him. After opening the package, he started to sweat. He just stumbled onto what looked like a whole lot of drugs packaged up for smuggling. He had to peek inside and was blown away by what he found. It was all cash, a ton of cash. Not literally a ton, but a lot nonetheless. Every bundle was a brick of cash in different denominations. Who knows how long it was stuffed inside the door of that car just waiting to be found. This guy basically hit the lottery minus the taxes, all because of a window in his car that stopped working. Luckily, he didn't take it into a shop to be repaired. He doesn't state how much money he found in total for obvious reasons, but it looks like several $1,000s to me. Also, by looking at those 20s and 10s, it's fair to assume the bundle of cash was hidden in the door for quite a while. Coming across this find would seriously freak me out. What if it was big bundles of drugs he found? Do you call the cops and try to explain the reason you're in possession of some serious contraband? I'm not sure what I'd do in that scenario, but I do know that I'd be sweating bullets. Finding big bundles of cash, on the other hand, well, it looks like this guy didn't care too much about the details and considered his find a lucky one. Talk about being incredibly lucky.